Okay, these are crazy times. Let me ask you, are your accounts and customers giving you all kinds of crazy reasons why they're not seeing sales reps and buying? Well, that's what I'm going to talk about in today's video. Hello, my friends. This is Mesar for the Medical Sales Channel, and we are certainly living and working in different times. And by different, I mean different than ever before. And if you're in medical sales, probably when you're contacting some of your accounts, they're telling you things like, well, we're not seeing sales reps right now, or if we need you, we'll call you, don't call us. That makes it very hard for you to do your job. But you have to understand things from your customer's perspective. And most importantly, this is what I want you to take away from this video. It's more important than anything else. All of the reasons in your customers' minds why they're not seeing you right now, those are reasons you can leverage to actually get in front of them. Think about it. What's going on in their lives right now? Well, everyone's been impacted by the coronavirus. And as a result, they have concerns such as keeping their patients safe, keeping their staff safe, and staying healthy themselves. So if you can find a way to tie your product or service to something that will help them to meet any of the mandates associated with the coronavirus, or it doesn't even have to be the coronavirus, it can be something that's impacting them right now. The coronavirus has impacted a lot of things. It's impacted the profit margins in the practice. They're looking for ways to save money. They're looking for ways to simplify how they engage with patients so patients don't have to come to the office or the hospital as frequently. Look for ways that you could impact what your customers are experiencing right now. Because the excuses they're giving you for not wanting you to come to the office to meet with them to sell a product are really the same reasons that will support spending time with you if you can discuss something relevant that's impacting them right now. So put on your thinking caps. And look, the world has definitely changed. If your business is off, or if you are struggling a bit since this pandemic began, I have a free webinar training to help you gain access and sell effectively during and after the COVID-19 crisis. The name of this webinar is How Medical Reps Can Use Video Sales Calls for More Access and More Sales with Doctors, Dentists, and Other Healthcare Professionals. For more information and to register for this free webinar, which people have been telling me has been tremendously helpful for them during this difficult time, please go to medicalsalestraining.com/webinar. medicalsalestraining.com/webinar. I hope to see you during this free training, and I hope that you will be one of the amazing success stories that I'm hearing about from people shifting their way of thinking about selling in the healthcare environment moving forward. Thanks for spending some time with me on this episode of the Medical Sales Channel, and I will talk to you again next time. Bye for now.